Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to upload website files via File Manager in your Cpanel. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your Harmonweb client area. If you want to log into your Cpanel, you can log in directly. I'm logged into my Harmonweb client area. I'm under the product or services, the particular service that I want to upload website files for via Cpanel. This is the website. As you can see, it is blank. So now I'm going to do what? Log into the cPanel, or I can log in directly to what? The file manager and upload my files straight and directly. Okay, so let's white loads. Okay. Okay, so this is our cPanel while this is our file manager. It's loading almost. Okay, so this is my file manager. So all I want to go is to go to the root folder, which is the public HTML. Okay, as you can see, the directory is what? It's empty, and this is the website. Nothing is on it. So let us upload a particular file. To upload any file, you click on the upload button. Make sure you're in the root directory that you want to upload that particular file to. As you can see, I'm on the public HTML directory here. I'll click on the upload button here. Then it will tell me to upload whatever I want to upload. Then I either select the file or drag and drop my file here to upload. So I click on the select file. Let me select this. I click on open, and as you can see, it is being uploaded successfully. Okay, upload has been completed. Once it is complete, it's going to show this green status with at 100% full. Then click on what? Go back. Once you go back, you're going to see the particular files that in which you uploaded. As you can see, this is the file. Let's go to our website and reload. We're going to see that file. As you can see, this is the file. If we click on it, it's going to, you see, that's basically how you can upload files using your file manager on cPanel. You can also use File Manager using your cPanel. Log into your cPanel account, then just click on the File Manager. It takes you to this interface. So see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who might need this. Thank you.